This is the Tigray conflict.
Yes, I'm from Tigray.
And in that race, Latesabet and Gudaf are both Tigray, right?
Yes.
And so for the people who might not be as familiar, they haven't been able to see their families for like the last couple of years, is that right?
Yes, right. Right.
And so where did the idea to do this come from?
It just came to me. I didn't plan it. I mean, I was working so hard when this is happening, you know, try to support my family, my people, but I never get a chance to be a voice, you know. And I see this is a good chance, you know, to let the world know, you know. So, especially for them, you know, they cannot speak, they cannot say whatever they want on the media because, you know, they're athletes, right? So, that's what I was trying to do.
So you ran out there. What did you do? What was the first thing you did?
I kissed her feet.
Why?
She deserved that. I kissed her feet on behalf of the whole Tigrayan people, because they're not able to see her as well. You understand? So for her being Tigray and winning this all gold medals, you know, she deserves. It's like a message from the people to her. Okay? So make sure you got it right.